Want to join guild in Free Fire but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to join guild in Free Fire. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by tapping on the Free Fire icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on the guild button. Here you have various guilds that you can join. You can also see the slogan of each guild by tapping on them. Now select any one from here. After that, tap on the join button which is on the right side of your screen. You won't be able to join another guild within 120 minutes. If you are sure, tap on the confirm button. And that's how you can join guild in Free Fire. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.